Hello everyone. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve Roblox keyboard movements. To know how to fix or how to solve keyboard movements on Roblox, you should just go to settings. Here in this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. After that we'll enter to Roblox and you click. When you'll find this page of Roblox, we click on first stop. Here we click storage, then we click clear cache, and in the end you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us, bell icon and subscribe. See you next time in another video. Thank you for your attention.